Writing. The Entegra Expanse is a premium Class C motorhome designed for travelers who want the freedom of a camper van combined with the comfort and capability of a full-featured RV. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, the Expanse offers a modern driving experience, a refined interior, practical living space, and the kind of versatility that makes it suitable for weekend getaways, long road trips, and extended adventures across the United States. It is especially appealing to travelers who want a motorhome that feels more like a comfortable private vehicle than a traditional large RV. One of the first things that stands out about the Entegra Expanse is its exterior design. The Sprinter-based body gives the motorhome a clean, contemporary appearance while maintaining the familiar proportions of a large camper van. Its smooth body lines, modern lighting, large windows, and carefully integrated exterior features create a premium look. The design is practical as well as attractive, giving travelers a vehicle that can handle highways, scenic roads, campgrounds, and city streets without feeling unnecessarily oversized. The driving experience is another major attraction. Because the Expanse is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, it provides a driving position that feels familiar to people who have driven modern vans. The elevated seating position gives the driver a good view of the road, while modern driver assistance and safety technologies can make long-distance travel more comfortable. For people planning cross-country trips, this combination of comfort and road capability is particularly important because the motorhome may spend many hours on highways between destinations. Inside, the Entegra Expanse focuses on making efficient use of its available space. Instead of trying to imitate a huge luxury coach, it creates a compact living environment where different areas can serve multiple purposes. The interior can provide sleeping, dining, cooking, storage, and relaxation areas without making the vehicle feel completely crowded. The design is aimed at travelers who appreciate organization and want everything they need within easy reach. The interior styling gives the Expanse a sophisticated and residential atmosphere. Modern cabinetry, attractive finishes, comfortable seating, and carefully designed lighting help create a relaxing environment. Large windows bring natural light into the living area and allow passengers to enjoy views of mountains, forests, beaches, deserts, and other destinations while traveling or staying at a campsite. During the evening, interior lighting helps transform the motorhome into a comfortable place to relax after a long day of driving or sightseeing. The kitchen area is designed for practical RV living. Depending on the configuration and equipment, travelers can have access to cooking appliances, food preparation space, a sink, and storage for kitchen supplies. This makes it possible to prepare simple breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks while traveling. Having a usable kitchen is particularly valuable during long road trips because it can reduce the need to eat at restaurants for every meal and gives travelers greater flexibility when visiting remote destinations. Storage is another important part of the Expanse experience. Motorhomes need to use every available space efficiently, and the Expanse provides dedicated areas for clothing, food, equipment, and personal belongings. Smart storage becomes especially important when several people are traveling together. Keeping items organized can make the difference between a relaxing trip and a frustrating one, so the Expanse's focus on practical storage contributes significantly to its overall usability. Sleeping arrangements are designed to give travelers a comfortable place to rest after a day on the road. The sleeping area can be transformed or configured to make better use of the interior during the day and provide a dedicated resting space at night. For couples, this type of flexible design can be very useful because it allows the same area to serve different purposes throughout the day without requiring a much larger vehicle. The bathroom facilities add another level of convenience. Having a private bathroom inside the motorhome means travelers do not always need to depend on campground facilities. This can be especially useful during overnight stops, long drives, or visits to places where public facilities are limited. The compact design makes efficient use of space while still providing the basic amenities necessary for comfortable RV travel. Climate control is also essential for a motorhome intended for travel throughout the United States. Travelers may experience hot summer temperatures, cool mountain nights, and changing weather conditions during a single trip. The Expanse is designed to provide a comfortable interior environment so passengers can relax regardless of the conditions outside. Proper insulation and climate control systems help make the motorhome more suitable for different seasons and destinations. Technology plays an important role in the modern RV experience. The Expanse incorporates contemporary entertainment and vehicle systems designed to make travel easier and more enjoyable. Connectivity features can help passengers stay connected while traveling, while modern controls allow various vehicle and living functions to be managed conveniently. For today's travelers, these features are increasingly important because an RV is not only a vacation vehicle but often a mobile living and working environment. One of the strongest advantages of the Entegra Expanse is its versatility. It can be used for a short weekend trip to a nearby campground, a family vacation, a national park adventure, or a long-distance journey across multiple states. Its relatively manageable size compared with larger motorhomes makes it easier to navigate roads and parking areas. Travelers can enjoy many of the comforts of an RV without committing to a much larger vehicle. The Expanse is also well suited to the American road trip lifestyle. The United States offers an enormous variety of destinations, from the national parks of the West to the beaches of Florida and California, the forests of the Pacific Northwest, and the scenic highways of the Northeast. A motorhome like the Expanse gives travelers the ability to bring their accommodation with them, making it possible to explore different areas without constantly booking hotels. For couples, the Expanse can be particularly attractive. Two people can enjoy the benefits of a comfortable motorhome while keeping the vehicle relatively manageable. It offers enough living functionality for extended trips while avoiding some of the complexity associated with very large RVs. For experienced RV travelers, it can also serve as a premium upgrade from a smaller camper van. There are, of course, some compromises. A compact motorhome cannot provide the same amount of interior space as a large Class A coach. Storage, kitchen space, bathroom dimensions, and living areas are naturally more limited. Buyers should also consider the total cost of ownership, fuel expenses, insurance, maintenance, campsite fees, and other costs associated with motorhome travel. Anyone considering an Expanse should carefully evaluate how they plan to use the vehicle before making a purchase. Overall, the Entegra Expanse represents a modern approach to motorhome travel. It combines the familiar driving characteristics of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform with the comfort and practicality of an RV. Its attractive exterior, refined interior, flexible living space, useful amenities, and road trip capability make it an appealing choice for travelers who want to explore the United States in comfort. The biggest strength of the Entegra Expanse is its balance. It is large enough to provide the essential comforts of a motorhome but compact enough to remain practical for everyday travel. For couples and adventure-minded travelers, that balance can make the difference between simply owning an RV and actually enjoying the freedom that RV travel provides. Whether parked beside a national park, relaxing at a campground, or cruising along an American highway, the Entegra Expanse is designed to turn the journey itself into an important part of the adventure. For travelers searching for a premium, versatile, and comfortable motorhome, the Entegra Expanse deserves serious consideration. It represents the idea that an RV does not need to be enormous to provide an enjoyable travel experience. With thoughtful design, modern technology, comfortable accommodations,